Hey everybody, welcome back to The Raw Deal. I'm Christy. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a great summer and staying cool. I'm going to make today mango berry swirl nice cream. I know it's hot out there, everybody's trying to stay cool, but this recipe is a fun, healthy alternative to ice cream. And ice cream is just strictly fruit and extra toppings that you want to put on it. And it is guilt-free and it's delicious. So let's get into it. What you're gonna need for this recipe are 2 to 3 cups of your favorite berries. I'm choosing fresh strawberries and fresh blueberries that I had laying around the house. So I'm gonna get rid of them and use them up today. And I'm going to use 3 to 4 cups of frozen mango chunks. And make sure those are really, really frozen. It's gonna make your nice cream more thick. So we're gonna go ahead and start by making our berry jam, and that is what we're gonna swirl into our mango nice cream when it's done. So I'm taking my strawberries and my blueberries, and I'm gonna just put them on my little NutriBullet here. The consistency of this berry jam is gonna be a little bit chunky, and if you would rather have it a little bit thinner, totally fine, blend it up a little bit more, or even add some water in there to make it a little bit more thinner for you. So let's go. Okay, this is looking pretty perfect. Smells so good. Well, here is the berry jam with my strawberries and blueberries. I'm gonna set that to the side and I'm gonna go rinse this out, and then we're gonna get on to our mango nice cream. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and let's go ahead and get started with our mango nice cream. I'm using mango because I had 2 full bags of it in the freezer, so I needed to use it up. But really you can use anything. Bananas are very common. Frozen bananas, frozen peaches, frozen pineapple, even frozen watermelon. So it's your choice. Have fun with it. Get your kids in the kitchen to prepare this with you. It'll be tons of fun. All right, I went ahead and put some mango in here. Let me continue with the rest. Get all of that good stuff in there. This is so easy to do, and it's 5-10 minutes of your time. All right, so we're gonna put that. Now you can use a food processor for nice cream as well. You don't have to use a high-speed blender, but this is on my counter and it's easy to grab, so I'm just using that today. But feel free to use a food processor. It will make your nice cream thick and creamy, just like a high-speed blender will. So don't fear and do not panic if you don't have a blender. I'm gonna get started with this mango nice cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it just to help it blend a little. Not much, because you don't want the ice cream runny. You want it really, really nice and thick. Oh, that is heaven right there. That is heaven. All right, let me turn my blender off. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Now, you can mix your fruits. You can get really, really creative with your nice cream recipes. I'm just keeping it really simple today, showing you how easy it is. This is nice, thick, and creamy. You could also add a little date paste in here, some vanilla. You can mix your fruits. You can do whatever you want to do. Get really creative with this. It's a really fun recipe, and especially when you make it your own, you know? So, look at this. It's so, so, so good. There's several different ways you can present this nice cream. For one, you can just scoop it out and put it in a bowl, have yourself some nice cream, or you can put it in a waffle cone or a sugar cone of your choice and have yourself a delicious ice cream cone. You can put it in here like I'm doing today. This is kind of like a little sundae cup. I'm gonna put it in here. Another way you can serve it that's really fun is to get yourself a loaf pan, put some parchment paper inside, press it down, put your nice cream inside of this, wrap it up a little bit, and put it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. and it'll freeze up really well. And when you take it out of the freezer, it's gonna be one huge chunk of nice cream. It's so good. And you can just take your ice cream scoop and roll it out, put it back in the freezer, and kind of munch on it all week long. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mango berry swirl sundae together. I have my jam that I made before with my fresh strawberries and my fresh blueberries. If you hear a power drill, my husband is by the front door fixing some stuff because he's amazing. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some of the nice cream in there, maybe half. Okay, I got half of my nice cream in the bowl. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my jam. I'm not gonna use all of this, I'm just gonna use some of it today. Put a little bit of the jam in there. There. And then I'm gonna put the rest of the nice cream on top. Is your mouth watering like mine? I love ice cream. My best friend Jody loves ice cream. And I was never really an ice cream person before I met her, but she turned me on to ice cream. And over the past few years, I've learned how to make a healthier version of all the ice creams that I love. So it is a win-win. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more jam on top. I wanna make sure that you're able to see both of the colors because it's really, really beautiful. Got that bright yellow orange and that beautiful, beautiful berry color in there. All right, I'm gonna use my spatula because I just kind of want to fold it in a little bit. Okay, that's coming together really nicely. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this in my sundae cup. All right, I'm gonna put a little jam on the bottom. I'll put a little bit more. That's good. All right, this is the fun part. Actually, you know what? That's good. Get my ice cream scoop out. I brought it over here for that very reason. All right. Look at this. Doesn't that look beautiful? Here we go. This is the mango berry swirled nice cream. I hope you guys love it. Please leave me a comment below to tell me if you like it, if your kids like it. Maybe you tried extra fruit, let me know. I am curious and always love to know what you guys are trying out there. Again, this is a fun, creative alternative to the dairy, sugary ice cream that you find in your local grocery store. This is completely raw, vegan, plant-based, just fruit and a little bit of water to blend. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's so good. It's so good. I have to leave a little bit for my husband. It's delicious. You guys are gonna love this one. Stay tuned because next week I'm gonna be showing you how to make my famous peanut butter protein bites. They're so good. You're not gonna wanna miss it. So, enjoy this nice cream. Have a great weekend. Have a great rest of the week. I will see you soon. Until then, be well. Stay encouraged and empowered. Bye.